ډېر مننه مجید. ناست یم او ګناه مې انتظار بدله کړې ده. ناست یم او ګناه مې انتظار بدله کړې ده. هغه لاره څارمه چې یار بدله کړې ده. او یا خو پرون ته نه وې نو ځکه دومره ښکلې وه، یا خو پرون ته نه وې نو ځکه دومره ښکلې وه، یا خو نن سپوږمۍ پروردګار بدله کړې ده. ستا د خولې خبره او بیا دومره د خوږو ډکه، ستا د خولې خبره او بیا دومره د خوږو ډکه، ته چېرته راوړلو کې نېبار بدله کړې ده. No, I want to invite Mr. Amir Hamza to deliver his speech on the topic of violence against women. Amir Hamza, for English speech.
I begin with the name of Allah, the merciful and most powerful. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Amir Hamza. I am 14 years old. I am a student of Diamond English Language and Computer Academy. Today is a special happy day for me to represent you on the stage and share my vision on the topic of violence to women. Mr. President, that is one of the main social ills of society. This mental situation is violence to women. We should feel pain and rightly. So when you realize any atrocity done on anyone, especially so because the whole woman rests the producer of mankind. Let us have a giant community without anyone, that community will not protect. It will become smaller and dire, so woman is the only producer of mankind. And as we think of women as the mother, any woman of any country, any regime, caste of the law can sympathy, understanding all the feelings that the mother transfers for her. Of spring ocean to more unique emotional attraction between two human beings. आते जाते सारे मौसम अब से निस्बत रखते हैं. आते जाते सारे मौसम अब से निस्बत रखते हैं. आपका आना बहारों जैसा, आपका जाना हजारों जैसा. But the mother, the child is never big enough for showing of affection. Whether the child is big, small, grown up or aged. The mother is not close to him with equal intensity. Is it not our duty to place our mother above everything else? Is it in worldly consideration, the mother may not ask much from her son or daughter, or even she may ask nothing from her grown-up children. But in the rule of nature, it is but natural that we serve all religions and show respect to her as long as we do. Mother, sister, wife, and daughter, these are the four faces for a man of woman. And for us men, these are the most precious images, if any of distress, any of these images are distress. Any of these, then we shouldn't be called out to human beings than anyone. Because some anyone have code of conduct which is a man and don't